Ever wondered why JavaScript is often referred to as the language of the web? Well, it's time to delve into the depths of this powerful and dynamic language and unravel its capabilities. Welcome to a journey into JavaScript, a language that powers the dynamic, interactive parts of the web. This journey will take us through 5 key sections, each one an essential piece of the JavaScript puzzle. Firstly, we'll explore the foundations of JavaScript. This section is all about understanding the basics. We'll talk about the syntax, variables, data types, and operators. These are the building blocks of JavaScript, the fundamental elements that you'll use in every line of code you write. Next, we'll venture into the world of control flow. This section will cover conditional statements, loops, and error handling. Control flow is like the navigation system of JavaScript. It's how your code knows where to go and what to do. The third section dives into functions. Functions in JavaScript are reusable pieces of code that perform a specific task. They're like the tools in your JavaScript toolbox. By the end of this section, you'll understand how to create and use functions to write more efficient and reusable code. The fourth section is all about objects. Objects are complex data structures that allow you to store and manipulate data in a more organized and flexible way. They're like the filing cabinets of JavaScript. Lastly, we'll look at the Document Object Model, or DOM. The DOM is a programming interface for web documents. It's what allows JavaScript to interact with the HTML on a web page, making it dynamic and interactive. That's quite a journey, isn't it? So, let's summarize. We started with the foundations of JavaScript, understanding the basics like syntax, variables, data types, and operators. We then navigated through control flow, learning about conditional statements, loops, and error handling. We then delved into functions, understanding how to create and use them for more efficient and reusable code. After that, we explored objects, learning how to use them to store and manipulate data. Finally, we wrapped up with the DOM, understanding how it allows JavaScript to interact with HTML and make web pages dynamic and interactive. Remember, understanding JavaScript is like learning a new language. It takes time and practice. But with these 5 sections as your guide, you're well on your way to becoming fluent in the language of the web. So dive in, explore, and most importantly, have fun coding.